Let me ask you something. How many hours did you scroll today? 2, 4, 6 hours? You don't even remember, do you? Now zoom out. Every day for a year, that's over 60 days of your life. Gone. Wasted. For nothing. And worst of all, you didn't even enjoy it. That's not taking a break. That's addiction. They've hijacked your brain. But this video, this moment, is your exit, because today you're going to learn how to stop scrolling for good. Step 1. Face the truth. You think you're choosing to scroll? You're not. The apps are choosing you. Every sound, every color, every swipe, it's designed to control your mind, and you're falling for it every single day. This isn't relaxing. This is how men lose their drive, their focus, their purpose. But now you see it, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. This is the first step. You take the power back. Step 2. Remove the traps. Your willpower is not enough. You can't fight addiction in a room full of triggers. So here's what you do. Delete the toxic apps. Right now. Use blockers. Turn your screen grayscale. Silence the notifications. And one more thing, hide the enemy. Take the app you waste the most time on. Bury it in a folder on the last page. Make it hard to access, so your finger doesn't reach it without your brain being awake. You must make the battlefield yours. Step 3. Create no phone zones. Pick 2 places where your phone is banned. For me, it's 1. No phone in bed. 2. No phone while eating. That's where real clarity begins, when your mind isn't being poisoned during rest or meals. Try it. Sit down without your phone. Feel the silence. That's your soul trying to speak again. Step 4. Replace the habit. This is where 99% fail. They delete the app, but they do nothing to fill the void. Your brain needs a new reward, so give it one. Go on a walk without music. Do 10 push-ups every time you crave scrolling. Read just 5 pages. Journal what you feel. Work on a skill. Anything. Even 15 minutes a day can shift your entire life. Remember this, scrolling isn't your addiction, emptiness is. Step 5. Make this personal. This isn't about productivity or time management, it's about the kind of man you're becoming. Are you becoming stronger, more focused, more disciplined, or are you becoming that guy who scrolls for hours, watching others live the life he secretly wants? Be honest with yourself. Is this who you want to be? Because if it's not, then bro, something has to change. Final words. You don't need some perfect 30-day detox plan. You need a decision, a line in the sand right now before you scroll again. Delete 1 app, set 1 rule, take 1 step, because every time you resist scrolling, your mind gets sharper, your soul gets louder, your life comes back. This is your moment. Don't scroll past it.